Check, check, check. Make this beat. Say, nigga.
Alright YouTube, so I'm gonna show y'all how I got to this fire orange hot girl stuff. So first, y'all see the colors I used was French Cognac, Cajun Spice, and Blazin orange. So right here I'm showing y'all I'm literally every color that I'm literally using a little bit of orange blaze, because orange blaze is like a neon orange, so I was using just a little bit of that. I used a little bit more French Cognac because that Cognac, excuse me. I used a little bit more of that because that's more of the brown orange. It's more of a brown orange, so I used a little bit more of that because I didn't want it to be too much. Then Cajun Spice is literally the perfect color. It is like the brown and the orange at a perfect mixture, so I used a whole bunch of that. Like I literally have less than a fourth of that left. So I'm showing y'all the hair after I had conditioned it and made sure that it was all washed, and it's like in a pretty wavy state. But I'm showing y'all there, like every time I touched that hair, it was literally falling apart. So I'm gonna also talk about that in my like 3 or 4 week review as well, about how well the wig has been holding up. I'm pretty terrified of putting the wig in there because I've never done it before. So as you can see, like I'm kind of terrified about what I'm doing, but I just stuck the whole wig in there eventually. Hair turned out to be exactly how I wanted, you guys. I think that I used the perfect colors in combination for this look that I was going for, and it turned out to be exactly how I wanted it. I want you guys to let me know what you guys think and how it looks on me in the comments below. I know I'm looking a little raggedy, but you know that's how that is. But yeah guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.